Hello, welcome to my final project of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Its name is bank. We can add money or send money via mobile number or create fixed deposit and etc. in this as we can do in bank. So if we want to register, we have to put our first name, last name, father's name, gender, marriage condition, mobile number which should be unique, email address, any government ID name, any government ID number, address, PIN code, virtual debit card that I want like Visa card or MasterCard, transaction fee for virtual debit card, password for login, and confirm password. After putting all data, we can create account by clicking this button. If we go to login, we can log in with using a mobile number and password. Let's log in. In login page, we can find personal details in short, like how many total balance, mobile number, email ID, and last login, and also it shows the user's name. In profile page, we can find all personal details given by the customer, like customer name, marriage condition, gender, account number. Here is his account number, date of account opening, last login date, father's name, mobile number, email ID, government ID name, and government ID number, address, area pin code. If we want to edit any of wrong details, we can click here. Here we can edit our first name, last name, father's name, gender, marriage condition. We can't edit mobile number or email ID, but we can change address, pin code, and many others. So I have two mistakes here in father's name, like, and in address. Also, let's select gender, unmarried. Also, if we want to change PIN, we can put our PIN. If we change our password, we can put our old password, new password. If we click this button, it will change. Father's name is changed and address is changed. This is all our profile. In transaction page, we can find a kind of button. One is all transactions. It shows all details of the account. It is one kind of passbook where all things is stored. From or to, the money is come or go, the amount of money, remark, and date. And it's the minus in the logo says that it is debited. Normally shown that it is credit. Also, interest is added at 4.2% for putting money into this bank. In credit section, we can find only credited details. In debit section, we can find only debited money. Fixed deposit section, we can view our fixed deposit and also create. We can see our interest rate has 6%, amount, total amount, duration, 400 days, and start date. Also, here is a break button. If we click it, these things will be break. If we want to break the fixed deposit of this 3,000, we can click this. It will ask for password. If we enter password and click done, then so that the breaking of fixed deposit, it is 3,000 rupees. Penalty for breaking premature fixed deposit, 15,000 is debited, and interest of fixed deposit is 21. If we broke fixed deposit before that, a penalty is charged, which is 5% of the total amount. Also in fixed deposit section, we can find only one fixed deposit now. Create another deposit, we can click this. Here we can put the amount like here is the interest table of what is the rate of interest according to day. So we have fixed for 366 day and click create. So here we can find that sent to bank for creating fixed deposit minus 5,000 rupees, and in fixed deposit section we can find another 5,000 is added into the here. It is all our fixed deposit section. In send money section, we can send money to who have created account in this website. Select a phone number of my friend and enter amount like I want to send 5,000. Enter password and remark. Let's send it. This is my amount of money sent to my friend with this mark. My total account balance is this. If I want to send money more than this, like it will not conduct because we can send more than the total amount. It shows that not enough balance. So card provide a virtual debit card. It is two types. One is Visa card, another is MasterCard. If we want to go to card section and enter our debit card pin and click done, it is a MasterCard. You can find that of ABC Bank. Here is card number, here is CV, and here is end date and customer name. And if we go to profile and select Visa card, like we can find a Visa card with card number, CVV, expiry date, and name. And if we forgot password, we can reset password through our email. And if I write here my username and click reset password, it says that OTP is sent successfully to your registered email ID. Let's check out my email address. This is the email. And if I put the reset password here, it will redirect to login page, and if we enter the new password, we can easily log in. This is all features of bank. Thank you.